Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the latitudes and longitudes. Let's start. Beside the equator, this is equator. Besides the equator, the North Pole and the South Pole. There are four important parallels of latitudes. Four important parallels of latitudes. These are the four important parallels. Number 1, Tropic of Cancer. Number 1, Tropic of Cancer. Okay. 23 1/2 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Number 2, Tropic of Capricorn. This is taken as Tropic of Capricorn. 23 1/2 degree in the southern hemisphere. Number 3, Arctic Circle. This is taken as Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle 66 1/2 degree north of the equator. Number 4, Antarctic Circle 66 1/2 degree south of the equator. Let's move. In this slide we will discuss about the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Firstly we will discuss about the Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Tropic of it is at an angular shape, angular distance of 23 1/2 north from the equator. It is important because usually on 21st June the sun is directly over it. This is the longest day of the year. 21st June is taken as the longest day of the year, and on the 21st June the sun is directly over it, over the Tropic of Cancer. Number 2, Tropic of Capricorn. This is Tropic of Capricorn. It is at an angular distance of 23 1/2 degrees south from the equator, usually on 22nd December. On 22nd December. 22nd December. 22nd December. The sun shines directly over this parallel. Okay. On 22nd December on the Tropic of Capricorn and 21st June on the Tropic of Cancer, the sun is directly shines over this parallel. Number 3, Arctic Circle. This is taken as Arctic Circle. Okay. It is at an angular distance of 66 1/2 degree north of the equator, usually on 21st June. On it also 21st June. 21st June. There is 24 hours daylight on this parallel. It is taken as polar area, and on 21st June there is 24 hours daylight on this parallel. This is taken as Antarctic Circle, and it is also at an angular distance of 66 1/2 degrees south of the equator. On 22nd December, there is 24 hours daylight on this parallel. Okay. All of the parallels, and there are zones. It is taken as torrid zones. It is taken as temperate zones, and these are taken as frigid zone. Let's start. Firstly we will discuss about the torrid zone. It is a hot zone. Torrid zone is the hot zone. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This area therefore receives the maximum heat and called the torrid zone. This area is taken as torrid zone because of its hotness. Okay. It is a hot zone. And now we will discuss about the temperate zone. The midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The angle of sun's rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. As such, the areas bounded by the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere have moderate temperatures. These are therefore called temperate zones. These are taken as temperate zones. Okay, let's move, and now we will discuss about the frigid zone. Areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere, and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere are very cold. It is because here the sun does not rise much above the horizon. Therefore, its rays are always slanting and provide less heat. These are therefore called frigid zone. It means these areas are very cold. Okay, these areas are taken as polar areas. Okay, जब सूर्य यहाँ पे होगा और ये सामने इसके टेम्परेट जोन है, तो सूर्य की सीधी किरणें डायरेक्ट इसी पे पड़ेंगे, है ना. देन दिस एरिया इज टेकन एज hot area. It is a hot zone. After that, these areas also receives some rays, but frigid zone, these areas very यहाँ पे बहुत कम सूर्य की किरणें पहुँचती हैं, और जो पहुँचती हैं भी हैं वो भी स्लैंटिंग, है ना, स्लैंटिंग पहुँचती हैं. इट्स रेज आर ऑलवेज स्लैंटिंग एंड प्रोवाइड लेस हीट. यहाँ पे बहुत कम हीट पहुँचती है. सो these are called frigid zone. It means these areas are cold. Okay, let's move. In this slide we will discuss about the features of the latitudes. There are 180 parallels. There are 180 parallels of latitude, 90 to the north and 90 to the south of the equator. The equator is the largest parallel. It means the length of all latitudes are different. चलिए देखते हैं. This is Earth and this is equator. And after that, when we move from equator to south or north, the length of latitudes are decreases. जैसे जैसे हम पोलर एरियाज़ की तरफ बढ़ेंगे वैसे वैसे लैटिट्यूड की लेंथ कम होती जाएगी. ओके, नंबर 3, all parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. It means the distance of two parallel and 2 or 3 or 4 is equal. हमेशा पैरेलल्स के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस रहेगा वो इक्वल ही रहेगा. Number 4, the distance between any two parallel at an interval of 1 degree on the surface of the earth is about 111 kilometer. Okay, east of the prime meridian up to 180 degree east of the eastern hemisphere, west of the prime meridian up to 180 degree west is the western hemisphere. It is the point of latitude. Okay, in next slide we will discuss about the latitudes, longitudes. Let's move. These lines are taken as longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary lines running vertically from the north pole to the south pole. These are taken as north pole and south pole, and these lines running vertically from the north pole to the south pole. The longitudes are also known as meridians. There are 360 meridians in all. The prime meridian is central longitude, which divides the earth into two vertical halves. This is the prime meridian, and this divides the earth into two vertical. There are a half and this is also a half. Okay, which divides the earth into two vertical halves, the eastern and western hemisphere. It is taken as western hemisphere and it is taken as eastern hemisphere. Okay, let's move. These are the features of longitudes. It runs through a place called Greenwich Meridian in England. Greenwich Meridian is a place is located in England and is also called the Greenwich Meridian. It is regarded as the 0 degree longitude. It means Greenwich Meridian, where from where we count the meridians, it is taken as 0 degree. Number 2, it was decided that the count should begin from the meridian passed through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. Number 3, the meridian is called the prime meridian, and there is a twist. The length of the all meridians, okay, the length of the all meridians आर सेम, सभी मेरिडियंस की लेंथ सेम रहेगी, बट उनके बीच का डिस्टेंस जो है, दीज आर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पोलर एरियाज, ओके, बट इनके बीच का डिस्टेंस जैसे ही हम इक्वेटर से पोलर एरियाज की तरफ बढ़ेंगे, लेंथ इनके बीच की कम होती जाएगी, ओके. दिस इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन लॉन्गिट्यूड एंड लैटिट्यूड. लेट्स मूव. These are the features of longitudes. Unlike the latitudes, longitudes are semicircle equal in length, also called meridians. Number 2, the 0 degree longitude is called the prime meridian, which is located in Greenwich Mean Time. There are 360 meridian of longitude, 180 to the east of the prime meridian and 180 to the west of the prime meridian. Number 4, the maximum distance between any two meridians is at the equator, which is about 111 km for 1 degree of longitude. Number 5, the distance between any two meridians decreases. In last slide we will discussed we have discussed the distance between any two meridians. The distance between any two meridians decreases when we go away फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर. जब हम इक्वेटर से पोलर एरियाज की तरफ बढ़ेंगे तब यहाँ पे इनका साइज इनके बीच का डिस्टेंस डिक्रीज होने लगेगा एज वी गो अवे फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर टुवर्ड्स द पोल्स. नंबर 6, ऑल द मेरिडियंस मीट एट द पोल्स. ऑल द मेरिडियंस मीट एट द पोल्स. दीज आर द पोल्स एंड ऑल द मेरिडियंस मीट एट द पोल्स. लेट्स मूव. In this slide we will discuss about the longitude and time, because longitude और time का बहुत ज़्यादा दोनों एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड रहते हैं, ओके. टाइम एंड longitude. Okay. As the earth rotates from west to east. From west to east. This is west and this is east, and earth rotates from west to east. Those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, and those to the west will be behind it. The rate of difference can be calculated as follows. Okay, as follows. The earth rotates 360 degree. Okay, the earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hour. In 24 hour में अर्थ 360 डिग्री रोटेट करती है, which means 15 hour or 1 in 4 minutes. Okay, 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Okay, and 15 degree is equal to 60 minutes. It means 1 hour. Okay. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich में अगर 12 noon दोपहर का 12 बजा होगा, the time at 15 degree east of Greenwich, 15 डिग्री ईस्ट. ठीक, ईस्ट में हम ग्रीनविच के आगे चलेंगे तो टाइम हमारा 1 hour ज़्यादा होगा वहाँ पे, है ना. 15 डिग्री मीन्स 60 minutes and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. ओके, जब हम उससे ज़्यादा बढ़ेंगे तो 15 मिनट हमारा टाइम ज़्यादा रहेगा. तो ये था आज के लिए, और जब हम 15 मिनट पहले जाएंगे, इट मीन्स 15 डिग्री पहले जाएंगे ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम के, तो वहाँ पे टाइम हमारा 1 आवर कम हुआ होगा। ओके, अगर ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम पे 12 नून हुआ है तो वहाँ पे 11 नून हुआ होगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो एंड support me guys. Thanks for watching.